Candidates for FUE hair transplantation are really people that we've evaluated and found that they have a density loss. Now, the density loss could be just a forehead that is going back, or a crown, which is the top of the head expanding out, but there needs to be actual hair loss. We generally do not do FUE, or I don't recommend FUE, if there's not hair loss and there's just hair volume loss related to miniaturization. So some people will do small FUE cases where we're just filling in, say, a temporal peak that's too high. Here they want it down a little bit more, or bringing the sides forward. Or there may be people that are completely bald, and it takes multiple cases to build up a hair pattern, including the frontal hairline, the middle part of the scalp, and then also the crown.